Dear Egle, you are representing one of the case studies of the BaltCOAST project. What is the key idea of your case study?
The key idea is to revisit an idea of opening a beach at the Curonian Lagoon. As Neringa is a resort, we only have beaches on the Baltic Sea, and we want to diversify, and we want to establish a beach where it is much closer to the settlement and much reachable for the people, and we can open much early in the season as a resort.
And what is your personal role in the project?
Personally, I started to be involved in a project as a master student, and tourist survey on their perception of the bathing water quality, of their perception of an idea to actually go on such a beach if it would be opened at the resort. So this was my main focus, to make a survey and to apply it to my master thesis.
In the project, the systems approach framework is applied, and also to your case study. And how is the SAF implemented?
The SAF is a tool that helps us to go stepwise through identifying an issue to involving stakeholders, involving researchers, involving a lot of different parts and a lot of different disciplines, and it helps us to create a common language. So that is how we're applying it, by going step by step and involving everyone that could be considered of the issue that we are addressing.
And what kinds of stakeholders do you involve in the project and in the SAF approach?
In our case study, we are involving, of course, the team of researchers, but then we have a very high interest of the local stakeholders that are mostly municipality representatives and national park representatives that are the main leaders in the settlement. But also we have active participation of the NGOs that are interested of the outcome and in the communication that we are going to provide about the bathing water quality.
And are there special concerns of the stakeholders, and how do you deal with that?
The special concerns that they addressed to us were actually, if the water quality is sufficient, how do we deal with the communication? Because there is always a risk that there might be decrease of the water quality, and how we will come out in the communication to the potential tourists. And also it is a concern, if we would establish a beach so close to the settlement, how we are going to come with the suggestions of controlling the visitors, of not to have the beach spreaded along the area much wider than it is planned in the planning documents.
Which communication tools do you use?
We mostly use the tools of speaking to the stakeholders, and we are putting information on the website of the BaltCOAST project, and also issuing press reports, and of course social media, which is very important nowadays because we can reach very big part of the audience, especially the young audience that we are approaching, young audience with small children that are potential visitors of the beach.
And you will use also a photo exhibition and a photo competition in future?
Yes, we're planning to do that competition this year because participatory processes are very easy to attract people and very good tool.
And what is the main outcome of your case study area in the bonus BaltCOAST?
The main outcome is that we will know if the water quality is sufficient, because it is the most important question. Then the municipality can go on with the documentation and they can actually open the beach. But we are the people who should answer if they can do that, and we will also have a mathematical, the hydrological 3D modeling that will show how the particles are traveling and what unexpected events could happen. So a municipality could be prepared with the action plan how to inform audience in case the decrease of water quality.
Is there a symbol, a keyword that you associate with your case study area, the Curonian Lagoon?
It actually is. Since we are opening a beach, we have different kinds of beach goers. Some people are bathing, some people are lying on the sand, some people are playing with the sand castles, but every one of them needs a beach towel. So here I have one, and I hope that everyone will be ready to use our beach for recreation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Nardine.